Hello, everyone. Today we're going to show you how to modify a sprite using the Scratch program. We're titling this Creating Avatars, but basically, what you're doing is modifying the characters or the sprites that are already here on the Scratch program. So let's get started. When you get to this website, you're going to select Create. And then once you select Create, go ahead and delete the videos that you see right here. You don't need that. But what we want to do for this lesson purpose is to show you all how to use different drawing tools to modify these characters. We're not going to use this character here. We want to try to find a human-like character. So we're going to delete that. And let's go here to the Scratch Cat where it says choose a sprite. Now, once we get here, as you can see, there are lots of different characters and of sprites, but that's not what we're looking for. We want to go to the people icon. So we'll select that and we will find a character that we would sort of depict ourselves. But like I said, all we want to do is to modify what's already here. So I'm going to go to this one. It's called Nora. Now you will know that this sprite is available because there'll also be a little transparent image here. So to modify or change the way that this sprite looks, we must go to this icon here at the top where it says costumes, because that's the way that the sprite looks. So let's go inside and change some of the colors. If you select here, you can see where all the pieces of this image has been created. And I kind of like to do that so I know exactly what I'm doing as far as changing the color. So I'm going to go over here to the fill bucket because that's where I want to start with the fill bucket. So I'm going to select that. And then once I get here, I'm going to use my slider to figure out what color I would like to change or use to change the clothing or the skin color or what have you. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to change the color of the outfit itself. And so let's see, I think I'm going to go to this color here. So I'm going to go ahead and select right here in the middle, and I'm going to kind of hover my cursor around to see if I really like that. And if I do, I'll go ahead and select it. And if I don't, then I will try another color. So I think I want to change it a little bit. So I like this color here. So I'm going to change the shirt color. And so I just go around and start selecting here and here and here. I'm going to change the stripes. So I'll go back here to fill again. And I'll move my slider to the color that I like. Let's see, let's go with something else. I like that one. It's pretty good. So I just want the stripes to be this color. And maybe I'll have the shoes this color, some of the shoes this color, and I like it. Looks really good. So I want to change the facial features, or I want to give more embellishments to the other features on this character. I'll simply will go back here to change the color of the complexion. So I'll select this one and I'll kind of play with it a little bit until I get the color I really like. And that's sort of, that's the thing about it with this particular program I like. You can keep blending colors like you would if you were painting. So let's try this one. And like I said, you can experiment and just go back and forth and till you get the right color. And it does take a little time if you're really picky, like I am. I want the color to be a little bit more brown, a little lighter brown. So I will go through that until I find the color that I like. All right. And so once you find the color that you like, go ahead and then select the different parts here so that it's all matched up. All right. Now, if I want to change the hairstyle, I can go to the paintbrush, select that, and then I'm going to go to black because it's already there. And I just want to add just a little bit more than what's already here. I don't want to do anything too far from what's already here. Bring this down. And you can go ahead and make your choice that way. Now, if you notice on this side where it says costumes, there are other characters. It's the same sprite, but it's a different expression. So if you would like to add animation, I just want you to be mindful that you have to go on and put the colors in the second and third, or if you have four of these too. All right, so this is just to get you started on how to modify a character using Sprite, using these drawing tools. And I hope that you're, come up with some really, really fun characters. All right, so let's get started.